Welcome to ANIRUDDHA'S Creative Learners. This is Dr. Nishikant Vibhute and I will explain you how to use distribute tool on the path. So let's draw the path now. Select this key. We will use this. So we have drawn one path. Let's select it. We want to distribute a shape on this. We will take a shape. This shape we will take. So now we want to distribute this shape on this particular path. So let's select this shape as well as the path using this selection key. Select, use select multiple option, then select the path. Now the most important point is you want to distribute this object on this path. So for that purpose, select this key and then tap on this object. So this box shape will appear over here. That means it is selected. Now you go to this distribute tool. Distribute tool is present on the paid version and it is very useful tool. Click on this. Now we can see that it is not distributed on the path, but it is distributed in a circular fashion. So we will go to this option key and here on the path. Now we can see that that shape is distributed on that path. Now we can increase the number of copies. We can reduce the number of copies. We can change the space between two objects like this. The objects are coming close to each other. The objects are going far from each other. In this way, we can create our favorite designs like this, or we can create a long shadow effect, or multiple text we can but we should draw it as a path and then distribute that particular shape on that path. I hope you will like this video. I will create more videos in the future on this distribute tool. Thank you for watching ANIRUDDHA'S Creative Learners. Hari Om Shri Ram Ambadnya Nath Samvid.